What's up, YouTube? It is your handy home girl Danny, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to give you just a quick view on how to change your DeWalt sander pad. So right now the pad is no longer attaching to the sandpaper that we're using, and so again in this video I'm going to show you how to change that out. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. This is a DIY channel. I show you how to do just about any and everything yourself. Share this video with your friends. Tell your friends to tell a friend, because if Danny did it, you can too. Let's get into it. If you look inside here, you'll see the screws that are attaching the sander pad. So I'm just going to be using my screwdriver. This is like a star bit, but you can see there that it is a flathead piece that you can use as well. So you're just going to go ahead and release the screws first. I probably wouldn't recommend using a power drill because you just need to hand loosen the screws out. So once you take out the last screw, you simply are just going to remove the sander pad. And this is a DeWalt sander, so of course I have a replacement DeWalt random orbital palm sander pad. This is the 5-inch. This is also a 5-inch. So you pretty much just open up the box. And this is what the new pad looks like. And again, I am changing them out because, oh shit. Okay, so I forgot to mention, obviously there are different models of these orbital sandals. So you do want to make sure that you are grabbing the correct one. In this case, we did not. So we had to make a quick run to Home Depot. So these have the four screw sets. The first one we picked up had 3. So again, just make sure that you are grabbing the right one to avoid an unnecessary trip to Home Depot. So you'll see the grooves and ridges. You can just sit that directly back onto your sander and make sure they are lining up with your screw holes, just like so. And then you just literally just put your screws back in, screw them up, and then you should be able to now attach your sandpaper. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, and so we just want to make sure the screws are going to be deep inset. So while you don't want to super tighten to potentially crack the screw, you just want to do, tighten it just to make sure it's nice and secure. And you want to just go one by one and making sure they're on, kind of like how you would do lug nuts when you're changing a tire. So I've got the new sanding pad on, and I have a 220 sandpaper here because we are sanding some drywall currently. And you just line them up, and you want to make sure it's nice and secure. And that's why I knew it was time to change the pad, because it was no longer adhering to the sander. And that's it. Quick and simple way to change out your sander pad. Like I said, this is a DIY channel. We are showing you how to do just about any and everything, mostly home improvements and gardening. But if there's something that you would like to see, make sure you drop it down in the comments below. And other than that, I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Peace.